now.
Yeah, hell no.
We'll save that for later.
Yeah.
All right, so while I was up there yakking on the phone about doing video live feed programming, which I have no idea how to do yet, he took the ignition out for me, but he failed to take all the junk out.
Mm-hmm.
So where's that 9/16 you didn't take out yet? Here. Or there's a socket on the other side if you want to use a socket.
Yeah, let's just grab that thing.
Did you get the coil on the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we went all the trouble to time this thing and show you how to do the points, and we're going to rip it all out, and we're putting electronic ignition in it. Okay, so you just got the coil in there. That looks good. Mounted it.
Yeah.
You didn't hook the wires up yet, though.
Nope.
Okay. Where's that white wire at? Oh, right there. Okay. Oh, that's not good. You pinched it. Oh, no, you didn't quite pinch it, but
What are we looking at?
we're going to have to get this wire out of here
Okay.
so it reaches over here. It's too short.
It runs around the bracket.
Yeah, we have to get that longer.
Okay.
This one's going to go away.
Yep, that one runs all the way over here.
Right, so you got to just yank that out. We're not using that one.
All right, we're gonna
That's
have to
gone.
I think he has it
We're
tied to some other wires.
We're going to use the good plug wires. We're going to keep the crane plug wires, and then we're going to get some different sparking plugs for you.
So this I just.
Did you find did you find the socket yet? I don't see it over here. Where did I put it? I probably put it away. That's it.
Yeah.
Whew, it's cold back here.
Yeah.
I'll go back up front. Was it tight?
Not super tight.
Well, it's not a very big bolt, so that's why. You have any torque on it at all?
Taking just this piece out?
Yep, pull that out.
Okay. Should be quicker.
Can't be quicker than hand. I told you to take it all out. I don't know why you left half of it in there.
Yeah, I wasn't sure about this. I'd never opened this up before.
Yep, pull that out. Okay, pull the next piece. Keep coming. Keep it coming. Just wiggle on it, pull. Grab that shaft.
This shaft?
Just yank on the side and pull. It should come off.
No, that's tight.
It's not coming off?
No.
It's being a pain?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that doesn't want to budge.
Sure. So use a tool. It's loose now. Isn't it?
No.
It's moving, just not falling off yet. It's too damn weak is your problem.
Yeah, maybe so.
You have to be you just have to get in there and get after it.
Okay.
So where is the pin at? Did they I think they screwed that up.
This?
No, there's a pin in here that's supposed to be visible. Yeah, it's underneath all this grease. That's your alignment pin. It's supposed to be lined up, so. But it looks like it's half gone, so that's probably why the timing was so weird. But, yeah, this is pretty damn new, too. So we're not using it. We don't care. Where's your junk box? It's gone. Okay. We don't need this here. And we don't need this either.
Okay.
You gotta put that on the Instagram chopper turd swapper FXR RS website. Get rid of those.
Maybe I'll live stream it on there.
Go wait, live stream it. We'll live stream that right across the internet. They'll come right through their inbox.
Yeah.
Have they done that yet? They figure out how to do that yet? Okay, so now you have a hole there.
Yes, sir.
It's got a bunch of grease on it for some stupid reason.
I don't know.
Where's your baggie?
My baggie?
Yeah, that one
What?
right there.
This crap?
Parts. Yeah, give me some of that crap.
What do you need?
I need that.
This?
Yes. I need this piece. Okay, now Walker likes to break these, so don't. Let's see if you stop breaking them.
Okay.
See that groove right there?
Yep.
That goes in that groove.
Okay.
This is actually a high spot. It goes in a low spot. So I need a plug wire bag. You do anything you can see yet? No. Oh, a Ziploc. All right.
So this goes in there.
You have to line it up.
Slot goes in between. All right.
Yeah, just you gotta find the sweet spot in there where it fits.
It feels like we're good.
Okay, that's a good
Should it
sign.
wobble a little bit?
Not when it's in all the way, it shouldn't. Okay, we got a screw and a washer
Let's
here.
see what's going on here.
There we go. Whew, and it's cold out here. Supposed to be in the 40s again tonight? What is this?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I feel like it's already there.
Yeah, it's cold right here.
Get 2 sweaters on. Where's the groove at?
I mean, that's got to be on it.
I don't know. Where's the groove at? All I see is your head. Where's the groove?
See, it's not turning, so.
Well, where's the groove? Groove
It's right
is
there.
at this angle
Yeah.
down.
We're good?
You in the spot you like?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay, good. I got this. Move your fingers. Now, if this screw doesn't go in very easy, don't not force it because you don't want to screw up the hole.
How did Walker break it?
He breaks his by riding the bike.
How does that happen?
It breaks the whole center out for some reason. I don't know why he does it. He goes through a lot. He's done through 3 or 4 of them already.
Really?
I don't know what the deal is. And you get a little torque on that to hold it.
Okay.
Ding ding. So you make sure it's got gap all the way around equally.
Looks good.
Looks like a winner. Look at that. It's already installed. You're already half done.
Alright.
Now you got to take that thing there, and you got to run it down through that hole right
Yep.
there. That looks like it's already opened up,
Yep, it's ready.
which is a plus.
A couple of these at a time.
Oh, you're being a sissy, huh? I cleaned it up for you. Fun part's when you get to the housing. No, we don't want the wire, we want the housing.
Yeah.
Told you it's gonna be the fun part.
Oh, yeah. Let's see here.
How are you gonna do that?
Give it a little wrap.
A little wrap. Oh. Wait until you try tape and then it doesn't work either.
Come on, Mother.
Brute force doesn't work.
Nope.
See what it does with brute force? What's it do with brute force? Now you have a mess.
Yeah, it's a mess.
Okay. You done screwing with it?
Yep.
Good. The other way. You're in charge of this now.
Fun stuff.
This is in the way. Yeah, you did a good job of that, didn't you? Yeah, it's twice as hard. Got all the crap in the way now. Yeah, we got everything sticking up in the way around here. Till I've done that before. I like running this all the way up the top.
Yeah.
All the way down here. You're not videotaping this.
Oh, it's getting taped. Or filmed. Or digitally recorded.
Is that what it's called?
I don't know.
It's not live feed though.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Coming soon.
I don't know. I have to get a Mac Top Pro.
Do it.
Book, turd, whatever the hell. I have no idea what
You'll
that
be
is.
happy.
I don't. I have no idea what that is or where to get one. So, and I'm pretty sure I can't spend $3 for one. So,
Yeah, you can get a used one.
good. I need a used one. Anybody got a used one?
Oh yeah.
Preferably something decent. That might work.
Yeah, you can get a good used MacBook.
You have to have a good battery in it too.
That won't be a problem.
Then I gotta get some kind of microphones and some bunch of other crap he told me when. He sent me that big long email, all the shit I was supposed to do. I told him no to all of that. No. He called me a prima donna. He thought the musicians were bad. Now these washers usually do not fit in here, so I'm just gonna leave these out.
Okay.
I already know they don't work, so I'm gonna take this back out. The problem is the washer's too big in diameter. You can't advance the retarded module. It bottoms out. Where's that pig in my way? Yeah, he wanted me to get one of those big dick-looking microphones that sit on a counter. It's about that big around, about that tall. What the hell am I gonna do with that piece of crap?
Yeah, you're not
often sitting at a desk where you can have that.
Then he had that clip-on
need the
camera.
clip-on.
He had that clip-on camera thing that clips on top of your XP Pro computer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
You just need the like a wireless
Oh, he says that's too advanced for
clip-on.
No, it's too advanced. He said no wireless crap. Something about metal and brick walls everywhere.
A lot of metal around here.
Doors and Harleys and stuff like that. Feed doesn't work too good, he said. I go, whatever. I told him I don't think the viewers really give a squat about that.
No.
A little pixelation here and there ain't gonna hurt them any.
Nope.
Yeah. I'm going to charge you extra money so I can pay for a Mac Pro book thing, whatever they are.
All that Walker now.
Yeah. Well, if he paid me, I would have enough money to do all kinds of stuff. Jeez, get in line on that one. Okay, there we go. So that goes in there like that. Same deal, you just put light tension on it. You filming here?
We can see it.
Oh, you can see it?
Oh yeah.
I can't, so okay. Now you gotta make sure you got a little extra wire up in here. See, like that. So you got room to move things around. Okay, and see how you got the wire, the V groove down here is over there with the V grooves around the cover so you can advance retard it.
Yep.
Okay, so we want to make sure you got a little extra in here so you can move it around.
Okay.
You're supposed to have a clip right here holding this so it's not against this.
Okay.
So we know you got one of those somewhere, right? Yeah, right.
Probably not.
Okay, then this has to go all the way over to the other side of the bike someplace.
Yep. Should we just follow the other line and
Well,
that's already there?
we can do that if we had access to it.
Yeah. It's kind of
It's right here, right?
right.
Why are you going through the frame on that?
Yeah, I don't know.
There's enough to do that. Okay, so if you take this and you go like this with a zip tie or some tape. Where's your
Pull it
tape? Where's that masking tape we had earlier?
Did I have some masking tape?
I did. It was up under the clock up there. There's a whole bunch of rolls of it. There used to be a couple rolls laying down here. They're all gone?
The clock in here?
Yeah, the clock over there.
Yep.
Okay, well, we're going to try to weave this a little bit right here. I don't think that's on camera. It is. You found some? All right, look at it. He's got some masking tape. Okay, tape me up there, boss. You're going to need more than that.
Right here? You...
I don't care. Just get me going. Okay, that looks really good. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, give me some more tape. It's going around. Okay, now let's tape the front of the part here. Start over here on that sticky stuff there. And make sure that those things that stick out there to poke me are covered up. There you go. Now you're getting after it. Now you're getting down. Oh, what do you got? 3 feet of tape on there? You got enough?
You kept saying more.
Okay, well, go back the other direction. Now double it. Don't tear it off.
Not as rapid.
Make that work. Got a good deal of your shows in the back of your ear.
Oh yeah. Getting a good shot?
Yeah, I got a good shot. It's part of that pixelation we don't care about around here.
Nope. Okay.
Yeah, I told him that camera here has a speaker, a light, and a cable you can plug into it. It works. There. That's all we need. None of that fancy crap.
They're seeing the work.
Okay, pull it up. You're in charge.
Let's see. I think there's a couple.
Zip tie under here or something.
Yeah, there's got to be.
Did we tie it to the correct cable?
That we don't know, but I believe so.
Appears to be 2 cables down there.
So I'm pulling on the.
You got a zip tie down here.
Yep. Here.
So what's that? What are you zip tying?
I don't know.
Hold on, yank too hard. I can't even see.
I won't pull yet.
I can't even see what I'm cutting. And you know these cutters are worthless.
Oh, here, let's get the good ones.
There. Good thing that's a very bad zip tie. Anything more than that, it wouldn't have cut it.
Okay.
Okay,
There
there
we
you
go.
go. That freed it up.
I feel it.
We're going now. Where we're going. There we go. Through the frame. Make a turn. Are you going uphill?
I'm pulling, but
You're pulling. Well, you're not doing anything.
it just seems like it's not.
Well, you got to go up higher, not bang it into the frame so much. Okay, hold on. Let me see what we got for light here.
I feel like I could just.
Turn it. See better. Okay, where you at? What are you yanking on? Okay, I can see where you're at now.
I'm here.
Okay, get the cable going here. Where you at? Okay, we got another zip tie under here. Oh, there's another zip tie.
There it is.
You and your zip ties.
Not me.
That damn tool guy.
I didn't wire this thing.
You do my damn cutter.
God damn it.
That's what I said. I saw it down there and it didn't disappear.
Yeah, you hate those ones. Here's the good ones.
Oh, these ones actually work. These are the real ones. Okay, another zip tie going. Oh, that works a
Oh,
lot.
look at that.
That's like it almost works now. Oh, they're coming after you now.
All right.
Okay, keep her going, keep her going, keep her going. 6 more inches at least. Okay, slow down, keep it going. All right, hold on. Okay. Around here you got to zip tie this up, so let me give you a length in the frame there.
You can use one of these, yeah?
Okay, you're gonna have to figure out where you want to zip tie this thing too. You need to keep it up in the air. If you go down here, it hits on the pipe.
Right.
So you need to go with that one. You need that clip that goes right there, little clamp. That's made to hold the wire like right there. That's what you need.
Where do you get that?
Harley might still have something available.
Okay.
Usually they're on bikes already. So that's gonna have to be held in that position somehow.
Yeah, let me take a look at that.
If nothing else, we just need a piece of metal with or plastic with a hole in it, and just pushes right up against it. Won't take much. And then you just zip tie it up under there, it'll be fine. Okay, so leave a little extra material. So just push this back slightly here. Like that. That should be plenty. Okay, now I'm going to route that up to the other side wherever it needs to go to. Whew, damn, it's cold. Oh, I didn't bring my wire crimpers with me either. You might have a little extra. Remember, don't lose the violet or the green wire. Isn't that what we're using? You're reprogramming wires.